How to enable battery percentage in the taskbar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the easy and simple steps on how you can enable the battery percentage to be shown on the taskbar. So as here you can see, I have my taskbar right here, and currently I cannot see the battery percentage until and unless I keep hovering over to this particular icon. So in order to enable the battery percentage right here on the taskbar, what I can do is simply go to the settings first. So let me click here, and from here, let me click onto the settings. Now within the settings folder, I will simply click onto the system option, and within the system, I have this option that says power and battery. So click onto the power and battery, and within the power and battery, you can see this particular toggle that says battery percentage, display battery percentage on taskbar. So from here, simply enable this, and once you will turn this on, now, if you will try to access your taskbar, it will show you the battery percentage like you can see right here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.